Is death truly the end? For centuries, this question has intrigued humanity. Now, emerging scientific studies propose a fascinating idea. Consciousness may survive death, potentially reborn in new bodies. Evidence from children recalling past lives, unexplained birthmarks, and astonishing memories challenges the conventional view of existence. Reincarnation, the belief in the rebirth of the soul, has roots in Eastern philosophy and has fascinated Western scholars for decades. Dr. Ian Stevenson, a renowned researcher at the University of Virginia, spent over 4 decades investigating reincarnation. He meticulously documented more than 3,000 cases of children exhibiting past life memories. One notable case involved a Lebanese boy who, at 3 years old, claimed he was a man from another village. He accurately described people, locations, and personal belongings with 93% accuracy. Dr. Stevenson's research also revealed patterns, such as children recalling past lives between ages 2 and 4, memories fading by 7, and birthmarks aligning with previous life injuries. Imagine speaking a language you have never learned, a phenomenon known as xenoglossy. Dr. Morris Netherton recorded a case where a patient under hypnosis spoke fluent ancient Chinese, verified by linguists as authentic. Similarly, Iris Faradi, a German woman, began speaking Spanish fluently while identifying as Lucha, an elderly woman from early 20th century Madrid. Such cases suggest the possibility of retained knowledge from past lives. Dr. Pim van Lommel's study on near-death experiences, NDEs, further challenges the belief that consciousness ends with death. Published in The Lancet, his research followed 344 cardiac arrest survivors, 18% of whom recalled vivid experiences during clinical death. Many accurately described their surroundings during resuscitation, encountered deceased relatives, or gained unknown information. Van Lommel's findings propose that consciousness might exist independently from the physical body. While past life regression therapy is controversial, Dr. Helen Wambach's rigorous approach yielded compelling results. During sessions, participants described historical periods with surprising accuracy, detailing clothing, architecture, and social practices. These recollections often aligned with verified historical data, further suggesting the possibility of accessing past life memories. Dr. Jim Tucker, who continued Stevenson's work, documented cases of birthmarks and deformities corresponding to past life injuries. In one instance, a Turkish boy born with facial deformities and an underdeveloped ear claimed he was shot in a previous life. Upon investigation, his story matched that of a man who died from a gunshot wound to the face. Such evidence hints at the possibility of physical imprints from past traumas. Unexplained fears may also stem from past life experiences. Psychiatrist Dr. Brian Weiss treated patients with severe phobias that resolved after recalling traumatic past lives through regression therapy. One woman's lifelong fear of water dissipated after recalling a drowning death. Such cases suggest a link between unresolved past life trauma and present anxieties. Genetics and environment are often credited for twin similarities, but Dr. Peter Ramster's research challenges this notion. He studied twins separated at birth who exhibited identical fears, behaviors, and memories. In one case, both twins shared an irrational fear of masks, which regression therapy traced back to a shared past life experience. These findings imply that memories may transcend both biology and environment. Child prodigies have long puzzled scientists. Glasgow's Cameron Macaulay, from the age of 2, described a past life on the island of Barra. Upon visiting, he accurately identified the house and its details. Such cases challenge the traditional explanation of prodigious talents, suggesting knowledge may carry over from previous lives. Some evidence suggests memories might be stored within our cells. Dr. Paul Pule documented cases where organ transplant recipients exhibited personality changes, and memories seemingly belonging to their donors. In one case, a young girl who received the heart of a murdered child began having nightmares that contained details of the murder, aiding investigators in solving the crime. This concept of cellular memory further supports the notion of past life imprints. Dr. Helen Wambach's demographic study intended to disprove reincarnation, but instead found significant correlations. Participants' past life recollections matched historical population distributions and detailed obscure historical facts. Without modern access to such information, the accuracy of these memories raises questions about their origins. A 1981 BBC documentary showcased four Australian women who underwent past life regression, recalling lives in historical Europe. Researchers verified two cases. One subject accurately described the Aberdeen University campus in 1820, including buildings that no longer existed. Another remembered villages and historical names near Glastonbury from 1720, leading investigators to uncover physical evidence that matched her memories. While skeptics remain, the weight of evidence from these cases cannot be easily dismissed. The consistency of past life memories, physical marks, xenoglossy, and near-death experiences all challenge the belief that death is the end. Could our consciousness transcend the boundaries of life and death? As science continues to explore the mysteries of reincarnation, we may edge closer to understanding the nature of existence itself. If this journey into the unknown intrigued you, comment 100% below to share your thoughts. For more thought-provoking content, check out the recommended video on your screen. Thank you for watching.